No apps, no downloads. We're using the Shortcuts app, and it takes less than 1 minute. Open Shortcuts. Tap the plus icon. Add action. Search, select Photos, tap it. Add another action. Search, encode media. Select it. Now turn on. Audio only. Tap the arrow. Make sure audio only is selected. Now add one more action. Search, share, or save file. Pick one. That's it. Use share if you want to send audio instantly. Use save file if you want to keep it in files. You can even rename the shortcut for quick access. Run the shortcut, choose your video. Done. Your audio is ready, simple, fast, no apps needed. Turn any video into audio on your iPhone in seconds. Sometimes you just need the audio. Maybe it's a podcast clip, a voice note, or music from a video. But most apps either cost money or are just too complicated. Good news. Your iPhone already has the tool.